punching bags are often filled with grain, sand, or rags, or other materials, and they're usually hung from the ceiling fixed to a stand. Other bags have an internal bladder to allow them to be filled with air or water. The design of a punching bag allows it to take repeated and constant physical abuse without breaking the bag. Must also absorb the impact of blows without causing harm to the user. The outsides are made of leather and goat skin. The leather for the bag is usually derived from goat skin. The skin must be tanned by placing it in a rotating drum filled with salt and water solution. The salt ingredient is typically chorium. In approximately 8 hours, the chorium soaks through the skin. The chorium is fixed to the skin by the addition of an alkaline chemical such as sodium carbonate or bicarbonate.
Skin is run through a machine that shaves it into a desired thickness. Once the leather has been dried and prepared, it is ready to be cut for patterns that are the exact size and shape of each panel are traced into the leather using chalk or grease pen. Then the sections are manually cut by the workers using leather cutters, shears, or knives.
Manufacturers employ automated cutting machines in order to create the size and shape of the panel. In these cases, a very short metal component is constructed in the exact shape and size of the panel. As the leather passes, the next step is to sew the leather panels together. The bags are constructed with either 4 to 6 panels, depending on the desired size. When sewn together, the panels create a pear-shaped balloon. Heavy-duty nylon or polyester thread is used to stitch the pieces to one another. The stitching is performed by a worker operating a sewing machine.
Once the two bags have been sewn together, the inner bag needs to be inflated with air. An inflation device called a collar is inputted into the inner bag just before the two bags are completely stitched. A valve on the inflation collar regulates the amount of air that is blown into the outer bag. Inflated air is measured in terms of pounds per square inch or psi. The training bag is inflated to a measure of 4 to 4.5 psi. A cap on the collar then clamps the bag all to the casket. The final step involves manually connecting the stretching bag to an overhead rebound board by a piece of flexible metal combined with a ball-in socket joint. The rebound board may be constructed of wood or thick durable has
3, 2, 1, go.
Wow, after all of that, what are the bioproducts?
Well, sir, the byproducts are scraps of leather, canvas, thread, and fill materials. Depending on the size of the fabric scraps, they are either be used for other goods produced by the company or more likely disposed of in the trash. Any piece of thread will also be thrown away. Fill material fill material may be collected for the same use if it's still in good condition. Sand can be disposed of at any appropriate dump site if not adequate for reuse.
Wow, thanks for the information, Doctor. Yeah!
You should thank me.